Hello everyone. In this video we learn or see how can we clone any post or page in WordPress. Okay, so let's say if you go to the dashboard, let's see for all the post. There's a hello world post. Let's add a new post. Let's say okay, let's give a title of the post. This is a simple post. Okay, let's write something. Hello simple post. Okay, let's publish the post. View the post. Here you can see this is our post title, this is our post body. Okay, you can see the category and other things. Okay, now if you go to the dashboard area, reload, you can see there are two posts. Let's say you can copy or clone, you want to copy or clone this post. Okay, there is no option right now. Okay, all you can do is add a new post, give the same title and copy the same body, or we can do this by use a plugin. Let's see how can we do that. Okay, go to the plugins area, add new, search for used duplicate okay, here it's almost 4+ million active installation. You can see that use duplicate post. Let's install the plugin. Installed. Now we activate the plugin. Okay, it's activated. Let's check out the settings, and here are the settings. Post page elements to copy. You can everything it will copied, just it will not copy the date, status, slug, author, password, attachment, or other things. You can all if you want, you can also copy these things. Mainly it will copy the title, excerpt, content, featured image, template, post format, and man order, etc. Okay, so I am happy with this one. Now go to the post area. Let's say you want to copy this or clone this post. Okay, just here you can see there are three new options: clone, new draft, rewrite, and republish. Okay, so we clone this post. That's it. Go to the edit the new clone post, and you can see the post is cloned. Right, updated, publish, post is published. Okay, that's it. We have cloned this post, and this is the new clone post. Okay, that's it for all for today. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.